Hey, good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. There's a rear entry, manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch and I flip. Got a handle on either side and these clamps that keep the ramp from rattling. They're a great design. I pinch and I flip, super simple to do, and I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out in the wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we sell side entries, we sell full size, we sell some trucks and SUVs. We have over 85 vehicles on the lot, ready to go. So if you don't see it on our website, we might have it getting ready. Call me, text me, we can find it for you if we don't. 800-pound weight capacity. You got 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. Does taper down to about 32 inches here with where the ramp sets, and this is the deep cut, designed to hold 2 wheelchairs at a time, or the gurney or the stretcher. It's got the 8 tie down points. We do give you a free set of Q straints away with this van. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. So compare apples to apples when you're comparing us. Got your spare tire, headliner's in great shape, rear air controls, got your cup holders back here. You can see it's got the flip bay seats, so they can both be flipped or they could both be down. I have the variety here showing you what they are. As they come up, you just got your Q strength tie downs and stuff there. Got your center console there, plug-ins for your electronics. Even more cup holders, dual climate control, rear air. Dash looks great, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Just a nice clean van. And when you get everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process, and you are ready to roll. Now, our conversion, like I said, look at that, 1 finger, super simple. Comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to have no warranty. Some 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those numbers to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty. You tell me who has the better built conversion. Pretty simple, right? It's got your tinted windows. It's got 4 tires on it, about 8 to 9 30 seconds, so almost new tires. Very good tires on the van. As I do a walk around, I'm going to try to point out any small blemishes I see in the paint, but it's very clean like all of our vehicles. You hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. It's simple. How we do it is low overhead. We are right in the middle of the country. Wichita, Kansas allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Saves you money. With our one location, I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 20 or more stores. I want you to imagine all the overhead they have compared to our one store. Simple math, right? It's like owning 20 houses versus owning 1 house. But we're still very productive out of our 1 house, and that's how we save you so much money. So no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. Why say that? Facebook Marketplace, for example, very dirty place to buy a vehicle. I'm serious. People will take pictures of my vans, they'll cut out my sign, and they'll post vehicles like this on the internet that they don't even have for, say, $15,000, send a $1,000 deposit to hold it. They're trying to scam you out of that $1,000. They don't even have these vans. They've never seen these vans. To prevent that, you say, I want a video of the VIN number. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I have this van right here in my possession. And that's how you stop the scams. They could not make this video I just made right there, that 10 seconds, because they don't have these vans. They're just stealing pictures. Get that video, protect yourself. Alright, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see no accidents or damage, 6 service records. As we scroll down, I don't know why Carfax does this sometimes. It doesn't show me how many owners here, but with this 1 box here, it generally means 1 owner. If it had 2 different boxes, 3 different boxes would mean 2 or 3 owners. So 1 owner. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, 1 owner, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Now, no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their ratings and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,578 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that's a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews on 326 reviews. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from a private individual, someone they knew nothing about, one of the low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. So hey, if you want to buy a vehicle that's got a salvage title you weren't told about, flood damage you weren't notified of, major mechanical issues, you go ahead and deal with the private individual, the general public, and the low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working. All right, back to the van. It's got the 2 keys. It's got the keyless entry. As I open up the van, I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. It is very clean interior. Open up the back here. You can see the seats also super clean. Just showing you a little perspective for those of you that aren't familiar with these vans. And when I go to start up the van, it's got only 37,784 miles. You can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out, so there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. That radio works just fine. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors and windows, and I'm going to show you those moving and working right now. We test the power locks, the heat, air, belt, hoses, screws, suspension, steering, brakes. Take these on a road test. Change fluids as necessary. I'm even showing you the back vents back here working. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot like most dealerships do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, it's got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Underneath the van, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, and no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood, and no signs of any rust from being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume because it's low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, I just bought a brand new 2023 Ford Transit the other day at auction. We got it. It was been flooded. And my point is, these dealers, they take these brand new vehicles to auction. If they suffer a flood, they try to dump them off to people. And if a new vehicle can be flooded, I guarantee you only can imagine what problems you can experience with a used vehicle. So no matter who you do business with, find them on. I want you to go check out another dealers, my competition, individual, I don't care. Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle? It's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood. Do they show you the reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage so you can see there's no signs of flood damage, no signs of an accident? Do they crawl on the roof and show you there's no holes drilled in the roof from being taxi use, no hail damage? You know how many vehicles I see at auction and the roof is just trashed with hail damage or holes cut in it or something like that because the sellers don't fix the roof because no one checks the roof. Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility checks the roof. You should too. So no matter who you do business with, my apologies, I slipped up there. But yeah, when it comes to price, reputation, how thorough they are, and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. Or what happens if it's got frame damage from an accident or a flood and it won't pass inspection in your state. In both of those cases, and in many more, if that happens, you just bought a vehicle you can't get registered, you can't drive it, you just bought a paperweight. So to avoid those problems and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a major purchase. You're not buying a pair of jeans off eBay. You're buying a very expensive van. Make sure you get a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but they are by far the best VIN inspection there is. That's why I pay extra for them. I demand them. You should do the same. Don't settle for some cheap knockoff. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence, made sure it's roadworthy. Got up to 65 miles an hour. I'll see if I can get up to 70 before this drive is over, but cruise control set, steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, runs and drives very nice down the highway. I do keep in mind we offer a complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. There we go, got it up to 70. Still runs and drives very nice. Complimentary warranty. We do sell long-term extended warranties that cover more components on the vehicle, and I believe they go all the way up to 4 years on a vehicle this age. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. I read online that the average vehicle costs about $1,500 a year to maintain. Our warranties are nowhere near that. So talk to me about those, and do keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they've hidden in the fine print is $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all the hidden fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about that before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end so they can make more money, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Keep that in mind when you're out shopping. You'll notice I gave it a hard brake coming down the ramp. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. All exactly what we're looking for. Now, if you'd like to give us a call, or preferably a text, if you send us a text, anyone in my office can respond as soon as possible. You'll definitely get a much faster response time with a text message. Call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to reach out to, call, or text me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. But yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We can send you an application. We can take an application over the phone. We'll make it happen. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with me. I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I do know it's a long video, but it's a huge purchase, so I try to be as thorough as I possibly can in these videos. And if you would like to come in to make an appointment with us, we do welcome that. But again, we do require an appointment. We have 3 different locations. We keep vehicles. Help us maximize our time and yours. Get in touch with us and make that appointment, please. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every vehicle, no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and thanks so much for checking us out.